Peace of mind is a beautiful gift
which you can give to yourself by expecting nothing from anyone.
Every interaction is an opportunity to learn.
If you are interested to improve,
Success never depends on your brain.
it depends on the greatness of your thoughts.
Relations never depend on your capability.
They depend on your behavior.
Rule your mind.
Otherwise, it will rule you.
Never stop doing your best.
Just because someone doesn't give you credit.
Knowledge decides what to say.
Skill decides how to do.
Attitude decides how much to say.
Wisdom decides whether to say or not.
Innocent people are not stupid.
They just think everyone has a good heart.
Humanity is greater than status.
Like your behavior, Guruji.
Respect is the foundation of any relationship.
That's why your relationships are not strained.
Smile is debit card of life.
Soft words are also debit cards of life.
Pay first and get benefits later.
Yes, Guruji, that's why you never take credit cards.
One thing to be thankful for every morning.
To see the beauty of being alive under God's grace.
Those who speak rude can't sell honey.
Those who speak sweet can sell chilies.
Inspiration moves you from pessimism to optimism,
From doubt to faith.
from despair to hope.
From darkness to light.
If you think positive,
Sound becomes music.
movement becomes dance.
Smile becomes laughter.
Mind becomes meditation.
Life becomes celebration.
Make sure you test positive for faith.
Keep your distance from doubt.
Isolate yourself from fear.
Trust in God. Proves all.
Walk for 15 minutes every day.
Walk for 30 minutes post-meal.
Walk while talking on the phone.
Engage in household chores like mopping, sweeping, dusting, washing dishes, etc.
These are great ways to fit in movement.
After every 1 hour, get up and touch your feet.
Bend your back forward and backward
Squeeze and 5 squats.
3 times a day.
Do 10 push-ups 5 times a day.
Base workouts on your fitness levels and not on your age.
Body age matters more than chronological age.
Do CrossFit workouts.
Okay, in 50s, do yoga and weightlifting only.
Drink 1.5 liter water after you wake up in the morning.
Drink 1 glass of water before taking bath.
Drink a glass of water before sleeping.
Eat sprouts with pomegranate seeds and fruits, except sapota, mango, sitafal and banana.
Sapota, mango, sitafal, banana are the fruits not to be eaten by diabetics, that means sugar patients.
Walk in the morning for half an hour every day.
Do sets, that are exercises half an hour every day.
Walk for 10 minutes after dinner every day.
Eat guava, papaya, tarbuja 2 times a day.
Get BP sugar checked every month.
Eat no dairy products.
Eat more leafy.
Eat more veggies.
Eat more seeds.
Drink buttermilk 2 times a day.
Eat mushrooms, soya beans, barley once a week.
For pleasant life, always look young. Forget your age.
Forget bygone days.
Forget anger.
Get loving family.
Reduce weight.
Eat curd rice daily.
Eat less than 5 grams of salt a day.
No smoking please.
No drinking please.
Don't eat cashew nuts, pista, kismis, sugar, honey and sweets.
Don't drink cool drinks.
Eat them in less quantity.
Don't eat more at one time.
Reduce tea, coffee, oil and masala.
Do 30-minute physical exercise every day.
Don't be overweight.
Your HDL cholesterol should be less than 200.
Eat fish including salmon fish.
Eat white part in egg.
Have goals like personal goal, professional goal, family goal, social goal and spiritual goal.
Rise at 6 a.m. every day.
Your body mass index BMI should be 23.
HDL means high density lipoprotein.
LDL means low density
Do
lipoprotein.
brisk walk, aerobic exercises, cycling, swimming, weightlifting, etc.
These exercises will reduce your fats.
Don't eat processed and junk food.
You want to improve yourself yourself in a month?
Detoxify your speech.
Reduce the use of cuss words.
Be polite.
Read every day.
Read whatever interests you.
Never speak rudely with your parents.
They never deserve it.
Observe people around you.
Imbibe their virtues.
Spend time with nature every day.
Feed stray animals.
Feed the hungry.
Never have ego.
Have learning desire.
Don't hesitate to clarify a doubt.
If you ask a question, you remain fool for 5 minutes.
If you don't ask a question, you remain a fool forever.
Do anything with full involvement, like being in meditation.
Keep away from people who give you negative vibes.
Never hold grudges.
Stop comparing yourself with others.
By doing so, you will know your own potential.
The biggest failure in life is the failure to try.
Never complain.
Plan your day.
Sit in silence for 5 minutes every day.
Magic will flow.
Eat home-cooked meals.
Drink 10 glasses of water every day.
It keeps your body hydrated at all times.
Eat daily raw vegetable salad.
Life is short.
Life is simple. Don't complicate it.
Every effort may not be converted into success.
Success does not come without effort.
Talk to someone who makes you happy.
Talk to someone who feels happy to talk to you.
Never discuss your success.
Never worry about your failure. Believe in yourself.
We learn little from victory.
Much from defeat.
Good relationships are like trees.
They demand attention and care in the beginning.
Once they blossom,
They provide you shade.
life is a math equation.
Convert the negatives into positives.
Relations never depend on the capability of your brain.
They depend on greatness of your behavior.
Strong factor for success is self-esteem.
Pain is a sign that you are alive.
Problem is a sign that you are strong.
Prayer
Failure
is a sign that you are not alone. Success is never permanent.
Failure is never final. So,
Don't
stop your
efforts until your victory makes history. We live in a strange world.
The poor walks miles to get the food.
The rich walks miles to digest.
Beautiful life happens with love, laughter, sacrifice, patience, grace, and forgiveness.
Source of motivation is your thought.
Think big and motivate yourself to win.
You can't buy your childhood back.
Only friends help to bring the childhood back from time to time at no cost.
Smile is a cooling system of heart.
Sparkling system of eyes.
Relaxing system of mind. Activate your systems with a smile.
Every successful person has a painful story.
Every painful story has a successful ending. Accept the pain for success.
Eat your words.
Chew your ego.
Swallow your pride.
It is not giving up.
It is growing up.
Desire changes nothing.
Decision changes something.
Determination changes everything. Old friend is gold.
New friend is diamond.
If you get diamond,
Don't forget gold.
because only gold can hold a diamond. Ability is what you are capable of doing.
Motivation determines what you do.
Attitude determines how well you do it. Most beautiful music in the world is your heartbeat.
Because God composed it.
Money is a small coin.
Health is a big coin.
Love is a lucky coin.
Relationship is a sweet coin.
Friendship is
a gold
gold coin. Target must be simple and changeable. Never show your weakness to the world.
Because world is much interested to play with it.
Life is like making tea.
Boil your ego.
Evaporate your sorrows.
Filter your mistakes.
Every tear is a sign of commitment.
Every silence is a sign of compromise.
Every smile is a sign of attachment.
Every morning message is a sign of remembrance.
Life begins where fear ends.
Having a soft heart in a cruel world is strength.
Not weakness.
Success comes to your life.
Only when you believe that you can achieve.
Carefulness costs you nothing.
Carelessness costs you your life.
Patience is the superpower.
Yes,
Happiness is the best immunity booster.
yes.
If you don't have friends,
You never live life.
what is poison?
Anything more than our necessity.
Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness.
Yes,
Nothing on this earth to be praised more than true friendship.
yes.
No parking zone. Penalty 250 rupees.
No one cares.
I removed no and changed the board to parking zone 250 rupees.
No one parked.
Eat sattvic food.
Eat half.
Walk double.
Laugh triple.
Love without measure.
This is the secret to living longer. Happiness is the art of relaxation.
Correct.
Mask is better than ventilator.
Home is better than ICU.
Prevention is better than cure. East or west.
Home is the best.
Take some rest.
Don't call any guest during Corona.
Enjoy your home fest.
Be in your nest.
Life is all about moving on.
Accepting changes.
Looking forward to what makes you stronger and complete. Truth is like drop of oil in water.
No matter how much of water you add,
It will always float on the top.
Life is a compromise between your feelings and reality.
At every stage, you have to quit your feelings and accept the reality.
Don't carry your mistakes with you.
Place them under your feet.
Use them as stepping stones. Talk to yourself once a day.
Otherwise, you may miss meeting an excellent person in this world.
If you have a good friend,
You don't need a mirror.
6 ethics of life are:
Believe before you pray.
listen before you speak,
Earn before you spend.
think before you write,
Try before you quit.
live before you die.
Transparency in our attitude will win trust from everyone.
Hari reads his wife's horoscope every day in the newspaper to find what kind of day he is going to face.
It is married man's honest confession.
Life is like a flute.
It has many holes.
If you work on it carefully,
It can play magical melodies. The hardest test in life is having the patience to wait for the right moment.
Life gives beautiful friends.
Friends give beautiful life.
When you wish good for others,
Good things come back to you. This is the law of nature.
When flood comes,
The fish eat ants. The ants eat fish.
life gives chance to everyone.
Just wait for your turn. This is the theory of life.
One positive thought in the morning.
Can change your whole day.
Be nice.
Spread love.
Life is better when you are happy.
Life is the best when others are happy because of you.
If you want happiness in your life,
Never be owner of love. Be donor of love.
Be honest when in trouble.
Be simple when in wealth.
Be polite when in authority.
Be silent when in anger. This is life management.
Knowledge decides what to say.
Attitude decides how to say.
Skill decides how much to say.
Wisdom decides whether to say or not.
A pure-hearted person can have a wonderful smile.
That makes even his enemy feel guilty for being his enemy. Catch the world with your smile.
We are here to heal.
Not to harm.
We are here to love.
Not to hate.
We are here to create.
Not to destroy. We are all one.
Life is a miracle.
Every breath we take is a gift.
Knowledge will give you power.
Character will give you respect.
Good friends care for each other.
Close friends understand each other.
True friends stay forever.
You don't have to be perfect to inspire others.
You just need to be honest.
Teachers are not just employees.
They are your child's second parents.
Heart feels light when someone lives in it.
Heart feels heavy when someone leaves it.
School was the longest vacation.
Then life happened. You never had vacation.
Silent lips avoid problems.
Smiling lips solve problems.
Luxury and lies have huge maintenance costs.
Truth and simplicity are self-maintained without costs.
The real enemies inside us are
Anger, pride, grief, and hate.
I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone.
Real beauty is in heart, not in face.